Welcome to today's tutorial on how to download the Bowie ISD app and also how to use it to check on your students' progress. I'm using an Apple, but this will work just the same on any Android device, just using the Google Play Store instead of the Apple App Store. I'm going to go to the App Store and search for Bowie ISD. And then I'm going to download the app. Now that it's downloaded, I'm going to find the app. And here it is here. I'm going to open that app. It's going to ask if it would like me to allow notifications. Yes, because we do send information out to you via email and the app as well. I'm going to let it find my location. And then here you want to select the schools that your student goes to. I like to select all of them. And I'm done. And once I'm done, here I'm inside the app. And I've got a nice slideshow of information and top stories about the districts that's been posted on social media. And I've got a couple other screens here where I can check Facebook, I can check Twitter, but the button that you want to use to log in to see your students' information is down here in the lower left-hand corner called Student Info. And it'll pull up a login screen. Your school has sent you your information to log in. All you have to do is enter in that information. And once you do, you will notice that it changes. Instead of seeing Facebook like I did earlier down here, I can see my information and make sure it's correct. I can also see my two students' information. And when I'm in their information, I can see what school they attend, what grade level, their student ID, upcoming events, classes, attendance, cafeteria balance, phone numbers associated with that student, their email address from the school, and all the rest of the information. To check their classes and their grades, all I do is click Classes, and it will populate their class list along with grades on the right-hand side. If I click Inside, I can see each assignment that has been given from that class. So I can keep an eye on how my student is doing in classes. I can check on attendance, their cafeteria balance. Once I go back to the home screen, if I see that their cafeteria balance is low, all I have to do is hit that Lunch Money Now button, log in, and I can apply more money to their account. I can also, with our new electronic ticketing that we have now for all of our events, I can buy tickets directly from my phone. Just click the event tickets and it takes me directly to the page where I can select my event and purchase my tickets. And here I get notifications from all the different campuses about things that are going on the campus. And then I also have a help button right there in the middle. That help button will allow you to fill out a form that if you can't see all your kids, you don't know your username or password or anything other, you can fill out this form and it will send an email to the correct person in order to help get your information correct in the app. Should you have any other questions, fill out that app, the help button, and they will get you taken care of. Thank you, and as always, it's a great day to be a jackrabbit.